Hello friends, welcome back to Excel VBA tutorial 24. In this video, I'll create digital clock using Excel and VBA. So let's get into that. I'll create my clock here in B2. So what I'll do, I'll expand it a bit. You can expand it as per your requirement, right? The clock you want. And I'll put formula, current date and time, which is now. And then I'll increase the font size. So I'll right click and click on format cell. In custom, I'll put HH, MM, and SS. Align it center. I'll also choose the back color. I think this looks good. Use the font color as well, white. So right now you can see the default font is Calibri. So I'll have to change it to clock font. So by default in your system you will not get the clock font. In order to get the clock font, so you have to download it from this website. So you can download any of these. I have already downloaded it and installed it. So first you have to download it and then install it. Coming back to the clock now. So I'll select digital 7 since I have already downloaded the font. And now you can see I'll increase it maybe 50 or 60. So now you will have to write VBA code in order to make it work. So first I'll have to click on developer and then Visual Basic. Alternatively, you can directly use Alt F11, right? After that, you have to insert one module here and write down the sub procedure name. It could be digital clock. You can name it anything. And then I'll put range B2 value equal to now. And then application dot on time. Then now, which is current time plus time value. Because this is hour, minute, and now second. Then I'll again call this procedure which I have already created. In double quote, I'll pass digital clock. Now I'll run it here so that you can see F5. So now you can see this beautiful clock here. And now you can change the color of this, maybe yellow, could be blue, green. So any color if you want. For me, I think yellow looks great. So this is the time. This is our digital watch. If you want to wear it, so you can't wear it. So I hope you like this digital watch. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.